program is essentially in line with Her Excellency's agenda, what we are calling the Governor's Urban Agenda, Her Excellency Susan Kihika. And the agenda for urban, in line with the UN goals, is to ensure that we have sustainable urbanization, leaving no one behind. Now, the importance of this is to regenerate our urban areas, particularly the informal settlements. That's the main agenda. Now, under this program of regeneration, we are looking at improving access in the informal settlement. That's just opening up our informal settlements so that they can be accessible by tarmacking them. Apart from that, we are also providing the non-motorized system, that is the pedestrian walkway in all our informal settlement, to ensure that our people are safe walking there, and also particularly the children. We are also targeting with this program to install street furnitures across the informal settlement, and that is purely to ensure that our people are able to relate with the streets and with the infrastructure, because they are the core beneficiary of this program. This program is being implemented in a 1-year period, 12 months, so it's a marathon, phase 1, and then we'll go to phase 2 before the end of the closure of the program. And this phase 1 is looking at 4 settlements, essentially 3 in Nakuru.
Mimi naishi hapa Lakeview. Tumekuwa na wakati mgumu sababu ya kuwa na barabara za matope all through, lakini tunashukuru Mungu tumekumbukwa. Tumeona kupendwa, tumeona kukumbukwa kwa sababu Nakuru imekuwa city.
Furahi sana juu ya serikali kuu na World Bank kwa kukuja kututengenezea barabara na mataa. Na hii barabara imekuwa baraka kwetu
hapa Afriria. Na tunafurahia sana, pia hata tunaomba lights ziwekwe ndio ipunguze wizi hapa hivi kwa hii maeneo. Tunataka pia hata sasa hii tunashukuru juu ajira kwa vijana inapatikana.